There is a secret Sakura place in Vienna. The sun was setting fast, and I made a last-minute decision. I had to catch a golden hour. I grabbed my bike and rushed down the blossoming Marchfeldkanal towards the Donauinsel. My target? A secret park with the most unusual one-band Sakura trees in Vienna. Let's go and find this wonder nearby. It's now a Sakura time in Vienna. You would not expect something cool from Sakura in Vienna, probably, but I can assure you that there is one absolutely unknown and magical garden with Sakura on the Danube Island, Donauinsel. And I'm right now would like to show you right during the sunset, during the golden hour. I admire this time of the year because it's so beautiful around. The birds chirping, the fresh grass, very green, the first leaves, a lot of blossoming trees and flowers. It's so lovely. And this is why I'm taking now not a shortcut but long cut through my favorite Marchfeldkanal. Let's see how Marchfeldkanal looks like now. Along the route of the Marchfeldkanal, there are so many trees that are blossoming. It's so beautiful. It's really incredible. And yes, my last minutes of the golden sun and the golden hour. Look how green everything is now. All these trees, they are so beautiful. Blossoming is almost over. The first leaves are coming out. So we are almost there, and we are just entering the area with the Danube. This is really lovely. Sun is already behind the hill, but I will still catch my Sakura today. You won't find here the Sakura like in Japan. Covered streets, tunnels. No, it's a very windy place, and Sakura has own character here. So we are almost there. It's just behind this bridge. You probably don't see it yet, but it's behind the Danube over there. Are almost there. Yes. This is the magic Austrian Sakura where nobody really knows about it. Wow. Oh my God. Sakura here is very unusual because the place is very windy. It doesn't create these bushes like you would normally see, and you can see it creates this kind of tilted tree, and it's so beautiful, and they just start to blossom. there are a lot of small trees which are just actually start to grow, and they also blossom a bit later. No smell. Never smells. Maybe for good. I don't know. Not enough smell for bees to come, and this is why we can enjoy it. Sakura takes a lot of time to grow. As you can see, this park was founded 24 years ago by Japanese embassy. You see, they keep planting new trees here also. I hope you enjoyed this video, so you know what to do if you enjoy it, and I always encourage today, go out and find your amazing wonder nearby you and share about it. Share your favorite place from spring in the comments. Maybe something nearby Vienna, maybe something nearby a place that you live. I'm sure we can all exchange our spring experience. See you in the next video. Oh wow, my way back is very fancy. Hi guys.